so
All
sorry.
right, ladies and gentlemen, there's a beautiful song that Willie Nelson did, that Elvis also
He's
did,
great.
and I think this is another very underrated song. It's called Blue Eyes Crying in the
Person
Rain.
I've said what. I feel safe in this man's here. Oh, I like this song. I didn't
In the twilight,
know I had enough.
oh, I see her, blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kiss goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Oh, the smile of dying ember. Oh, we'll never really
I can't forget this. And then I'm supposed to bring these home. Yeah. And he said, oh, take them home. I'm like, oh my God. Fucking stupid. Who puts that shit
When we meet up yonder, we're smoking in Tinley. In the land knows no parting. Blue eyes cry in the rain. Blue eyes cry in the rain. Come on, blue eyes cry. How does it make it? In the rain. Sing like that. Take it away, sing. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Blue eyes crying in the rain.
Hello, Kristen.
All right, let's see what we got next. I think this next one's a killer. Oh, yeah, it's gonna kill me. All right, ladies and gentlemen.